This video shows how different the water absorption capacity of papers is and how this can be better assessed with a water drop test. Every paper type absorbs water differently. For example, sized paper absorbs water more slowly than unsized paper. Old paper can absorb water less homogeneously due to degradation and mechanical stress. In addition, media can also influence the water absorbency of the paper. During a water drop test, the shape of the drop can tell us a lot as to how hydrophilic or hydrophobic the analyzed paper is. For the test, following supplies are needed: demineralized water, a pipette, blotting paper to remove excess water. Using a pipette, the water drop is placed on the paper. Depending on the shape that the drop forms, the water absorbency of the paper can be assessed as follows. Category 1. The water drop has a flat shape or is immediately absorbed by the paper. The contact angle between the paper and the drop surface is less than 90 degrees. The paper is hydrophilic. Category 2. If the contact angle is close to 90 degrees, the paper is slightly hydrophobic and can be wetted moderately. Category 3. If the contact angle is above 90 degrees, then the paper is highly hydrophobic. The water drop has an almost round shape. The paper is low wettable. Even within different areas of the analyzed paper, there may be differences in water absorbency. For this reason, the test should be carried out on multiple areas of the object. Different types of paper absorb water to different extents. In order to better assess this behavior, for subsequent conservation steps, a water drop test can be performed. The contact angle between the paper and the surface of the drop is assessed. Based on the classification of the contact angle into the categories below 90 degrees, approximately 90 degrees, and above 90 degrees, it can be assessed how hydrophilic or hydrophobic the paper is. However, the water absorbency of the paper can also be altered by conditioning the object and spraying it with wetting agents. More details can be found in this video.